Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this official Apple t-shirt. So this is called the Rainbow Apple logo t-shirt in black, 100% cotton, size medium men. It comes in the official Apple product, sold at their headquarters. So it comes in this nice Apple box. It's only damaged because I accidentally sat on it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Dirty, yeah. I had it on a table and then I sat on it. So normally fresh, comes more fresh out of the store. All right, that's it. Wow. What a cool, sexy shirt. All right, let's check it out. Here's the tag. Got the logo here. Cool. Wow. That is nice. Nothing on the sleeves, I don't think. Nope, nothing on the sleeves on this one. And nothing on the back on this one. So pretty plain. Nice logo on the front and the rainbow logo. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think of this shirt in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. And catch you for the next unboxing video. Later. Oh, wait, before we go, there's going to be a lot more Apple products I'll be unboxing later this weekend, so follow along. I got the new phone, Apple Watch Ultra, and AirPods Max is coming, so yeah, stay tuned, everyone. More Apple products to unbox. All right, take care, everyone. Later.